Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to export or save video from CapCut to gallery. First of all, open the video in CapCut application that you want to export or save. You will see the video resolution settings at the top. Tap on it. Here you can change the settings of which quality you want to export the video. First set the resolution. The higher the resolution is, the higher your video quality will be. But it will take more storage, so if you have storage problem then keep it low, otherwise you can set it to 4K, which gives a lot better results. Then the next one is frame rate. You can keep it at 24, 30 or 60 fps. Keep it at 60 is better as it gives better results. You can set it according to your choice. After that, set the last one, which is the code rate. Once you are done, tap on the export option at the top right corner to save this video in your device. It will load and then you can view it in your gallery. But if you are trying to export a video in which you have used the Pro features without buying the subscription, you will see this notification at the bottom that upgrade to Pro extra perks. Tap on it. Here you will see that to use the Pro features, you need to purchase this subscription. So tap on purchase if you want, or the other way is to simply go back and remove the Pro feature used in the video, like any video effects or transition etc. that you have used. Once you have removed it, tap on the export button available at the top and your video will be successfully exported. And this is how you can export or save video from CapCut to gallery.